Good morning, students. In the last class we have started with a new chapter, that is single entry system, the last chapter of your 11th commerce bookkeeping and accountancy, and in that we have seen the different formats. Okay, now here you are supposed to prepare two formats, that is statement of affairs. In statement of affairs you require to find out the opening balance and the closing balance, and after you find out the opening balance and the closing balance, the next step is to prepare profit and loss for the year, whatever year ended. Okay, you have to prepare profit and loss account. Now in single entry system, if for finding out the profit and loss, statement of affairs is very important, because from there you will be able to get what is the opening and the closing balance. So let's start with the problem, from which you will be very clear solution of the problem. Here's the problem. Mr. Manoj keeps his books under single entry system and gives the following information. Capital as on 31st March 2017 is 80,000. Capital as on 31st March 2018 is 1 lakh. Drawings made during the year 3000. Whatever drawings are there, they were made during the year is kitna hai? 3000. Then additional capital introduced during the year is 8000. Okay, calculate profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Okay, so here you need not require to prepare statement of affairs, because already opening and closing capital is given. कितना है opening capital? As on 31st March 2013, 2017, this is your opening, that is 80,000 already given. Even the closing capital is given, that is 1 lakh. तो हमें statement of affairs prepare करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because we are already given the opening and the closing. So next step is we require to prepare profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Particulars, amount rupees. Now the first thing that will come in the particular profit and loss account in the particulars column is the closing capital or capital at the end of the year. कितना है? 1 lakh rupee. Okay, to that we will add drawings during the year. I hope you remember the profit and loss account format that we have discussed in the previous class. ओके, सो इन ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम, अकाउंट्स में जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसमें फॉर्मेट को याद रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. विदाउट फॉर्मेट यू वोंट बी एबल टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, सो फॉर्मेट को अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना. और फॉर्मेट ध्यान में कैसे रखेंगे? ओनली व्हेन यू ट्राई सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, so to this closing capital what we will do, we will add drawings during the year. कितना है drawings during the year? It is drawings made during the year is 3000. So drawings during the year is 3000. So 1 lakh plus 3000 will give you 1 lakh 3000. Now to this 1 lakh 3000, what we are going to do? We are going to deduct the additional capital during the year. Now what is your additional capital? Now here it is given. Additional capital introduced during the year is 8000. Now from 1 lakh 3000, what we are going to do? We are going to deduct 8000 as additional capital. So 1 lakh 3000 less additional capital during the year 8000. This whatever amount you get after adding the drawings and after deducting the additional capital, that is from 1 lakh 3000, when we deduct 8000 we get 95,000. This is what adjusted closing capital. Okay, once adjusted closing capital is done, the next step is opening capital or capital at the beginning of the year. That is, you have to deduct from the adjusted closing capital. Now to adjust closing capital, it simply means you have to add drawings and deduct the additional capital. So whatever adjusted capital is there, that is 95,000, from that we are going to deduct the capital at the beginning of the year, that is 80,000. So opening capital or capital at the beginning of the year is 80,000. Now when your adjusted closing capital is more than the big capital at the beginning of the year, that means you are having a profit. Okay, that is your net profit for the year 15,000, because योर जो हमारा क्लोजिंग कैपिटल है इट इज़ मोर देन द ओपनिंग कैपिटल, दैट्स वाई यू हैव अ नेट प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर दैट इज़ 15,000. Okay, I hope you all have understood this problem. To be more clear, we'll take one more problem of a similar kind. Okay, that is, from the following information of the accounting year is given opening capital as on 31st March 2017 is 62,000. ड्रॉइंग्स कितना है 5,000. एडिशनल कैपिटल एडेड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर इज 9,000 एंड क्लोजिंग कैपिटल एज ऑन 31st March 2018 is 50,000. Calculate profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now in this problem you are already given the opening and the closing, so there is no need of what you call finding out statement of affairs. Okay, so here's the problem, बिकॉज स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स हम लोग क्यों प्रिपेयर करते हैं, जब हमें ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग कैपिटल फाइंड करना है तभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स. नाउ हियर देयर इज नो नीड बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज गिवन. ओके, सो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2018. particulars, amount rupees. First thing is closing capital or capital at the end of the year. Now when the year is ending, it is on 31st March 2018, that is 50,000. So 50,000. To this we will add drawings. So drawings made during the year कितना है 5,000. So drawings is 5,000. So 50,000 plus 5,000 will give you 55,000. And then there is a additional capital. So whatever additional capital is there, to the closing capital we have to add drawings and then you have to deduct the additional capital. So less additional capital 9,000. Okay, 9,000 additional capital. So 55,000 minus 9,000 will give you 46,000. So this is what adjusted closing capital. ये क्या है, adjusted closing capital. Now once the adjusted capital closing capital you get after adding the drawings and deducting the additional capital, the next step is less opening capital. So capital as on 31st March 2017, this is the opening capital, that is 62,000. So less opening capital 62,000. So 46,000 minus 62,000. Now in the last problem what I told you, if your closing capital is more than the opening, that is your adjusted closing capital is more than the opening, then you have a net profit. But here in this problem there is what, adjusted closing capital is less than the opening capital. So here you have a net loss for the year. So net loss for the year कितना है 16,000, that is 46,000, that is 46,000 less 62,000 will give you 16,000. So हमारा जो ये है what you call लॉस है कितना है 16,000. सो नेट लॉस फॉर द ईयर इज 16,000. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर हियर, जब हमारा एडजस्टेड क्लोजिंग कैपिटल इफ इट इज मोर देन द ओपनिंग कैपिटल, ओके, इफ ओपनिंग कैपिटल इज लेस देन यू हैव नेट profit. Okay, otherwise if your closing capital is less and your opening capital is more, you have net loss. Okay, so in the next class we will see how to prepare statement of affairs, that is opening and closing.